Beat the beat up, you can call me Sharkeisha. Yeah, yo, think about it for a second. I'ma get live, boy, like Fox News. You thought I quit, well I got you. I'm coming up with Lem Dog. We get it jumping like 10 frogs. Adidas on, so I'm straight. You get left, I go right. My shell toes are Snow White. And if you be hating, then you have no life. You have no life, you are so effing irrelevant. Your girlfriend texted me and sent me her residence. Hopped in the whip, pocket full of dead presidents. Like getting cash, it's my preference. Get it so easy, it's effortless. I get what you never get. I'm getting this money and getting these women. I put the bar up with some excellence. Most of these rappers got the hook up like I'm paying the ref. I'ma just take me a breath, scrape up a dab and get up. I cannot locate a fuck. This beat I will OJ it up, and I promise I'm ballin', I won't lay it up. I shoot from the 3, hit it with higher percentage. I think that I've heard a pennant. Ask me if I heard the message. Well, y'all can that shit will control, I'll delete ya. Yeah, I beat the beat up, you can call me Sharkeisha.